talking about the structure of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is made up of primarily 4 layers. First is the troposphere. Next, we have the stratosphere. The stratosphere contains something special, the ozone layer. This helps protect us from the dangerous UV rays. This layer is a major key into helping us live. Right as you pass through the stratosphere, you come out into the mesosphere. Once you pass through one of the big finalists, it's the thermosphere. These are the 4 main layers of the atmosphere. The atmosphere also contains the exosphere and outer space. Incoming solar radiation. Solar radiation occurs when the sun's rays are coming to the Earth at blazing speeds. When these rays are flying towards the Earth, the ozone layer is the Earth's bodyguard and protects us from the big old rays.
How can people help slow down the rate of global warming? First, people could start recycling their bottles, cans, paper, cardboard, and other things to stop the waste from expanding. Second step is electric and hybrid cars. If more and more people start getting rid of their ghastly cars and get electric cars, the pollution level will heavily decrease. Step 3. If more people start installing solar panels onto their homes, we will be reducing the pollution rates greatly. Step 4. The major key to success is raising awareness. Going on fundraising walks through cities and popular places will get people's attention. How have the U.S. tried to stop global warming? The United Nations went to Paris to sign an agreement stating that we need to reduce pollution all around the world. Local people have also been starting a company called the Clean Energy to help reuse as much of the energy as possible for a low cost. The U.S. have also started making solar panels highly suggested for households. What agreements were made at the climate change meeting in Paris? Some of the key things they talked about in Paris are reducing emissions, transparency in global stocktake, and adaptation with strengthening society's ability to deal with the impacts of climate change.
Global warming caused by humans. Some things that humans do that causes global warming is pollution and using up a ton of energy. When you drive a car, it releases carbon-rich into the air and goes into the atmosphere. Factories also release bad chemicals into the atmosphere. Whenever you turn on a light at your house or plug in your phone, you are using energy. This energy comes from coal-burning power plants, and like cars and factories, it puts off bad things into the air. Global warming consequences. There are many consequences of global warming, like air temperature rising, which is causing the ice that poor little polar bears live on to melt and disappear. It also causes sea levels to rise, which submerges islands. Change of global climate patterns. The global climate patterns are changing dramatically, meaning that the temperature is going up on average of 1.3 degrees Celsius, and if we get to 3 degrees Celsius, then it has been proven to be irreversible. This is making the ice smaller, the temperatures change, and so much more. Volcanic forcing. Volcanic forcing is when volcanoes erupt and release their inner ash. As the ash releases, it spreads out and blocks the sun from getting to the earth so we cool down. Solar forcing is when the UV rays manage to get past the ozone layer and get to the Earth's crust and heat us up. The last but certainly not least, the anthropogenic forcing. This, sadly, is caused by humans. Humans release gases and constantly pollute the Earth through cars, factories, and many other pollutants.